The students are coming in for the very first program of the 2018-2019 school year. I'm here, we're gonna have some fun, but I'm also here to talk about something really important, and that is bullying. What it is, what it isn't, what to do if you're being bullied, what to do if you see it happening. I'll cover those. All right, raise your hand if you can tell me what is bullying. I want to define it before I talk about it. Yes, what is bullying? Others are voting twice. Kirk out. All right. You feel comfortable standing up to the bully because the other person can't, then do it. There's 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11. Cheetah. Is that a nice cheetah right there? Don't be a cheetah.
You guys like the show? What was your favorite part?
When you juggle.
Oh, when I juggle the bowling pins, yeah. And your favorite part, you got to be a helper, huh? That's awesome. Oh, another helper right there.
The juggler was awesome.
There is a noticeable difference. There's also this thing called an imbalance of power. I am physically stronger than Hudson. There it is. You should be clapping by now. You might be a bully if you tease people in a mean way, make fun of their appearance, the way they walk, talk, dress, act, or look. And you might be a bully. Marcus, have you ever heard of a window of opportunity? Because the window is, it's open, it's closed. If you see bullying happen, tell somebody about it. If you're being bullied, it is not your fault. Okay. That was awesome. That's a great message.
The juggler with the yellow shoes brings everything he needs to put on a wonderful show. All you have to do is supply an audience and some electricity.
And if you can spare a bottle of water or two, that would be great.
I have a variety of programs, including my Stop Bullying presentation, which I'm doing today. Great way to kick off the school year. I also have a Truth About Drugs program for Red Ribbon Week or any other time of the school year. A popular program of mine is my Reading is Grand program. I do a family reading night as well, a big show. If you need a big juggling show extravaganza, I'd be happy to put one of those on. And I do my Do Your Best Awesome Thinking Never Give Up program with Simple Sciences. I call it my Dan Show. I bring everything I need to put on a great show, including microphones and backdrop and prop table and all the props. I make it easy for you.